I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Divinity in Destiny 2. Start by tracking the seasonal quest that leads to the Divinity quest line and accept it immediately. Focus on completing targeted activities, pinnacle rewards, and required triumphs to trigger the next objective. Prioritize activity modifiers that grant progress and play with a coordinated fireteam to reduce time. Stay patient, follow each step, and check quest markers to avoid missing hidden goals. Before starting the Divinity pursuit, make sure your Guardian meets recommended power requirements and your loadout supports boss damage and survivability. Swap in weapons and mods that improve ability uptime and add team healing or resilience perks. Complete any prerequisite story steps, seasonal tasks, or triumphs that gate the questline. If possible, form a steady fireteam to speed clears and reduce wipes, since many objectives favor coordinated play and focused damage windows. Start by accepting the Divinity quest and tracking it in your quest log so objectives appear on the map. Work through each objective sequentially, focusing on the activity types that count toward progress like boss clears, strikes, or seasonal missions. Use consumables and mods to boost drop rates and power gains during grind sessions. If a step requires precision or coordination, invite clanmates or use guided games to finish quickly and cleanly without wasting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.